Well, I'm mowing down my corn, chopping down my corn. I came through here with a machete, chopped down 3 rows, and the more I think about it, or 4 rows, the more I think about it, I think I'm just gonna mow it down. I saved a bunch of it over there, stacked up a bunch of it. Oh, well, you know this or not, but you can sell those corn stalks in the fall for decorations. A lot of people like to put those on their porch and stuff like that, and I have sold a few of those corn stalks in the fall around Halloween, whatever, when it starts turning a little bit brisk down here anyway. So but I think, like I say, I've cut these down with a machete, and I let my chickens in. Well, I didn't let them in, they got in. They got out. I think I'm just gonna come through here now, those last 3 rows, and just mow them down. My plan is to come through here later, maybe tomorrow, with my grapple and either drag behind it and get all those roots out, all the roots of the corn plants, either drag my grapple through or push it through and pull up all those roots, and that way I won't have to till. I don't want to till, and I don't know any other way to get those out except pull them, and I ain't gonna do all that. In fact, I'd have to have a big corn stalk to grab a hold of to get that out of there. Those roots, corn roots are tough. Corn roots get down in there. So anyway, I'm gonna mow this down, and then we'll try to get those the bases of the plants, the roots, the stalks, bottoms of the stalks, try to get those out with the grapple. Well, I thought I turned my camera on and I didn't. So you didn't get any of the mowing. It looks like to me that coming through here with that mower pretty close to the ground pulled up. Yeah, pulled up a lot of those, not all of them. I'll still come through here with my grapple, and I'll try to get that on video. So here it is after I finished and after a rain. As you can see in the video, I'm not all that great at backing up straight, but got it all graded off. You can see a lot of the corn roots, balls. Pulled up a bunch of them. Missed a few, but pulled up a bunch. This is all I'm gonna do to it. I'll come through here with the planter and or plant by hand, I'm not sure. I may cut a fir and go ahead and plant that way. May use my little planter. I've got an old garden way, something, I'm not sure, an old planter, and I may do that. But we're gonna plant this entirely, I think, in zipper cream peas. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Didn't till it, just came through with the grapple and just kind of try to rake it a little bit. And looks pretty good. We're gonna plant something for a fall. I'll show you the planting. We're gone.